A powerful earthquake that struck parts of Pakistan's southern Balochistan province early Thursday morning killed at least 20 people and injured hundreds. The death toll was feared to further rise as rescue operations were underway.
Crowds of victims and their relatives gathered at a local hospital in Harnai, a town in Pakistan's southern Balochistan province, after a magnitude 5.7 earthquake struck the area early on Thursday, killing at least 20 people and leaving hundreds injured. Military helicopters had been deployed to transport the critically injured victims to Quetta, the provincial capital, while other victims were being moved by ambulances to the civil hospital. Rescue workers said the dead were mostly women and children.
200 से ज़्यादा कैजुअल्टीज़ को हम लोगों ने मैनेज किया है। साथ साथ हमारे जो 15 डेड बॉडीज़ है वो हमारे साथ रिपोर्ट हुई हैं। वो जो सीवियर इंजर्ड थे कुछ को तो हमने बाय रोड एम्बुलेंस और कुछ प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स में भेज दिए। अभी जो कुछ ज़्यादा ही सीरियस थे जो ट्रांसपोर्ट काबिल थे उसको थ्रू हम हेलीपैड जो है हेलीकॉप्टर हम लोग जो है ट्रांसपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan offered condolences to families of the victims on Twitter and said he has ordered immediate assistance for the earthquake victims. The quake was relatively shallow at 12 miles with an epicenter 62 miles east of Quetta, the US Geological Survey said.